right, just want to give you guys a little bit of an update regarding Starlink pricing that Starlink currently has going on at the moment. So for the month of March, Starlink has actually, as we see here, are now offering the standard dish for a very cheap price at $150, which the typical price is right at that $350. But in select areas, you can get it for $150 for the month of March up until March 31st. So if you are someone that is planning on purchasing Starlink or wanting to investigate it a little bit more say you're in a rural area or something and you're wanting to upgrade your network, now actually would be a pretty decent time because of that heavy discount on the dish. And then you can also, depending on your location, also get the residential service plan for $80 per month, which is also pretty decent. However, again, that $80 is not in every location, so you want to double check your current spot that you're at to make sure that you can get that. But yeah, so to check your location to see if you are eligible for the discount, you just want to hit the Order Now button, and what that'll do is it'll bring up a service address search box, and you can type in your current home address or whatever address you're going to be planning on using this at right in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in an address here, and once you've typed it in, just hit Order Now, and basically this will let you know immediately if you have available access to that discount or not. And then the next thing you need to do is hit Add to Cart. And from here, you'll be able to see your price. So you can see here on the left-hand side, this particular address does support the $150 discount price, which is great. So that is basically a quick update regarding the Starlink discount that is currently going on. So I'll provide a link in the description below if you guys want to check out your address again and see if you are eligible for this. And also, I will be providing a referral link down in the description as well. And what that referral link will do is if you happen to sign up for a new service and or account for Starlink using my link, what that will essentially do is provide both you and me with a free month of Starlink internet service, which is great. That's actually a super cool thing. And then once you have signed up for service, you can also then refer people using your own custom referral link as well. So yeah, that is a cool thing. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.